Hey, since it is the March of May, I was thinking that there should be an end to racism! You know, as a white person, I really don't feel the struggle of racism, but I wish that everybody would just love each other. Like, it doesn't take that much. All you have to do is open up your arms and go up to somebody and hug them. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, Melvin. Give me a hug. Melvin, screw you. Screw you. Screw you. I'm gonna go find some black kids, cause they'll like me better. Screw you. Screw you. You stupid cunt. I hate you. Stupid cunt. Oh my god, why the fuck are you filming me? Fuck you, you fucking cunt. You fucking fuckface. Oh my god, fucking Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Fuck. I fucking hate you. I wish you were fucking dead. I'm gonna skull fuck your grandma. I'm gonna skull fuck your grandma so hard. Your grandpa. I'm gonna suck your grandpa's dead cock. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna suck your grandpa's dead leathery cock. Yeah, I'm gonna suck it. Anyway, being the month of March and all, I just wish that everyone. Oh, it's May. I really get months kind of mixed up. Anyway, I wish that everyone. Oh, there's a butterfly. Everybody would stop. Okay, Melvin, we can't work with this. Melvin, I cannot work with you. Anyway, but just give everybody a hug. Like, see? Yeah, give us a hug, and then you'll be happy. Melvin, go to hell. And everybody's happy.